Tired of installing dev tools one by one, searching every website, clicking through endless setup wizards? There's a better way. Meet DevKit Engine. Just head to GitHub Releases and download apex.exe. One file. That's all you need. Open it up. You'll see a full list of tools ready to go. Already have something installed? Just uncheck it. DevKit Engine is smart enough to skip it. Select VLC, add Firefox and Brave. Done. Now, scroll down. This is where it gets powerful. See these optional fields? Enter your credentials for Chrome, Docker, or Git Bash. And the engine doesn't just install them, it logs you in automatically. No manual setup, no extra steps. Leave them blank and you handle login yourself. Totally your call. Hit deploy. DevKit Engine pulls every tool directly from its official source using Windows built-in WinGet. No sketchy third-party sites, no bloatware. Just silent, clean installs running in the background. VLC, done. Installing silently, 0 prompts. Firefox is next. Downloads and installs on its own. No wizards, no clicking. Fully automated. Brave, silent, fast, official source. Watch it all happen live in the terminal. And just like that, your entire dev environment is ready. No wasted hours, no manual effort. DevKit Engine sets up your machine so you don't have to.